All right. So let me go to my trading view from my phone. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
All right. So this is GBP USD, Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD. So everything we will do since they saved to my phone. So we can just continue. You understand? So now we're talking about the downtrend. So downtrend is consist of what? Higher, lower highs and lower lows. Just as uptrend carries higher highs and higher lows. Hope you guys are understanding me.
Yes.
All right. So now, if you see this particular point here, the price came down to this point, came up here again, down to this point. That's how it moved. So now, look at it in the rechart. You guys can see it now.
Yes, I can see
So,
it.
so hope you guys understand the concept behind uptrend and downtrend now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because that's basically all about uptrend and downtrend. It carries higher highs and higher lows. But there's one other thing I want you guys to know. There's one other thing I want you guys to know. Now, if you see this particular market structure here, the price from this point, this up here, trended to the downside, Abi. Then from here, he trend come here, right? Now, inside this place, there's something that happened. You know, for this kind of for an uptrend like this, you always have what we call break of structure. For downtrend like this, sorry, this is a break of structure, right? Guys, hope you now remember break of structure. Now we talked about break of structure, right? Can you hear me?
I can hear you, but I was not there in that break of structure.
Okay. Now, break of structure. Now just for uptrend like this, you see this particular one. Okay, make I write BOS put so that I could know. This one where I write this BOS put now is called a break of structure. Now I told you that this particular, let me mark it. This particular point here, can you see it? Where this blue dot there? Can you guys see it?
Yes, sir.
It's called a key level. It's called a key level. Price from here came down here, right? Then it come here. It come down to this point. Now, this particular red candle here broke below this particular point. You understand? Guys, respond
Yes,
to me now. Can you guys understand me?
yes.
So this particular candle broke below this particular point, creating a break of structure there. So break of structure occurs when you have price, either to the up or to the down, breaking to the for an uptrend like this. You want to see the price breaking above the previous high of that trend. Like that's this up point here. This up point. Let me mark it out again. Or let me just bring this one here. This particular point. You want to see this candle. You want to see that the price is breaking above this one. That's for uptrend. You want to see it above. Therefore, downtrend, you want to see it below. You understand?
Yes, I understand.
So that's what makes this point a break of structure. Because where this candle broke below this particular one. That's what makes it a break of structure. Because this candle broke below this particular candle here. You understand now, Abi?
Yes.
So now, this one now came down to this point, came up here. That's why we have another break of structure here. Because this downward movement broke below this particular candle again. Abi?
Yes, sir.
Guys, hope you guys are understanding.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Then from here now, the market came up to this point. What happened? It came down here, but you won't classify this as a break of structure. Do you know why? Should I explain why? Because this particular candlestick is closing with the wick, not body. So for you to have a valid break of structure, the candle that is creating that break of structure must close with body, must break that structure with body, with the body of that candle, like what we have here. This one broke with the body of the candle, Abi. The body of the candle is below this price. Then this one, the body of this candle is below this price too, Abi.
Yes.
But this particular one now, the body is not below, so it's not a break of structure. Do you understand?
Yes, I can understand.
So from here, the market came upward to this point. The market came upward to this point again. It came down to this point again. Then what happened? It came down to this point. Now, inside here, we have a break of structure. But the candle that caused this break of structure is not this one that has this long wick to this down. Let me mark it so that you see it. From here to here. You see the candle may cause the break of structure now, Abi? This red
Yes,
one after
yes.
the blue. Not this particular one. This one is weak. So that's the break of structure. Then from there, we have price coming to this point, failing to break below with body. So from here, we now have another break of structure right here. Year to year. You understand?
Yes, yes, I understand.
Now, the reason why here is still the next break of structure, because this particular blue candle closed with the wick, not with the body. Then from there, we have another movement to the down. That's how it has been moving, another break of structure here. Then it came down to this point. What happened? The market's not give us clear movement again. What happened? You see this wick? This particular blue candle with this long wick to the top.
Yes, I can see it.
So this particular candle now did not create a break of structure to the downside, and it did not create a break of structure to the upside. This one means something else, but I won't talk about it now. So after that, what do we have here? We have this point. I'm coming, let me mark it. We have price from here to this point, then from here to this point, right? Then
Yes,
from here,
yes.
market came down to this point. Then from here, it came here. Now, take note of this particular place. Take note. So, this candle on this blue line at the bottom here, you know it's not a break of structure because it not break with body, Abi.
Yes.
So now, when the market starts heading upward, what do you have here? This particular place like this. What do you have here?
This line.
Who can tell me?
This line.
Market
Let
structure
me.
shifts.
Okay, market structure
Change
shift,
of
correct.
character.
Yes, that's correct. That's correct. So now this is it. Let me explain it. The market has been giving us series of BOS, which is break of structure to the downside. But what happened? When it got to this point, instead of the market to continue downward, it started going upward. Now that particular point where the market broke structure to the upward is not called a break of structure. It's called a change of character, or you can call it market structure shift. Let me draw it so that you will see it properly. Let me draw it. Now, this is what I'm talking about. No man no use uptrend so that you're not going to understand. We have been using downtrend. So this is what I've been talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Sorry. This is downtrend, break of structure, another retracement, break of structure, retracement, then break of structure. Then we have market coming like this. You see it? Can you guys see it?
Yes, I can see it.
Then, okay, now what happened here? Let me map everything out. This point here, we have a break of structure. Then this break of structure here. We also have another break of structure. Then we also have another one. Then here, this guy is supposed to come like this for us to have another break of structure, right?
Yes.
But the reason why he couldn't is because inside here, we don't have a break of structure. We have a change of character or market structure shift, anyone you want to call it. Now, just look at this thing I just map out. Let me explain it properly. We have our impulsive, and our retracement, impulsive retracement. Now, creating break of structures to the downside. That is downtrend. Abi, lower highs and lower lows. But when it got to this particular point here, you see that it broke to the upside, breaking above this current point of interest. No, not point of interest. What do I even call this thing for now? Just now, key level, correct? It broke above this current key level. Do you understand?
Yes.
So it's called a change of character. It's what this thing is telling us is that the market is about to start going upward. That's what we have here. Do you understand me?
Yes.
So it has been coming down with break of structure, but right here we now have this change of character. And what do you see? The market started going upward before this movement. Now this other one is also another change of character here. You understand?
Yes,
You
I
don't
can
understand?
I
Because why?
understand.
Because the market came here creating change of characters, a break of structure to the up. But when it get to this point, it broke to the down. Just like maybe you can see something like this now for here. From here now, let me say it came down here and it come here again, continue the trend. Then from here, it do something like this again. Do you understand? So this is now a change
Yes.
of character again to the downside. That's how it moves. Okay, this chart, I've been following this chart since morning. So let me use another chart entirely, so that you guys will see it properly. Let me use this AUD card. All right. Oh, I don't even still be there. Analyze this one safe. This thing hit my SL. So let me remove all these things. So let's start from here now. Let's start from here. Good. So what do we have here? This is a break of structure, Abi.
Yes. Break of structure.
So what happened? From there, it came down to this high here, then retraced down to this point again. So it failed to break structure. Do you notice it? Guys, are you with me?
No, sir.
You don't notice, Abi?
No, sir.
See, the reason why I said it failed to break structure is because it has the wick, not the body. Not be body take break come out. You understand? So for you to have a
Yes,
break of structure, you want to see that the market is breaking that previous zone with the body, like what we have here. You see it?
I can see it.
Yes.
This one is break of structure because it break with body of candle. But this one is not because we only have the wicks of the candle above the current, this higher higher. Hope you understand now.
Yes, I understand.
Yes, boss.
Okay. So now, after that, what do we have here? We have the market breaking below to the downside, like this one. You see, with the body. It break with the body, Abi.
Yes, yes.
So
Yes, it.
this a change of character. Do you understand?
Yes,
Or
I can.
market structure shift. So it's not break of structure. But now, in this particular point, if you notice, the market, after doing this, continue going upward, right?
Yes,
That one another topic. That one another topic. But the basic concept behind this is that whenever you see something like this, it actually signifies change of character. And it means that the market will start heading downwards from that point. Hope you get me now.
yes, I
Uh-huh.
understand.
All right. So now let's look for another place. Okay, let's use here again. Let's use here again. So from this particular high, this place is the highest point in this region. Now. The market came down to this point. It came up here, came down here, create break of structure. Abi?
Yes, I can see the break of structure.
Then another break of structure here, right?
Yes, from here to here.
So another break of structure here, Abi.
Yes,
Another one here to this down. So what does it mean? It means that this point is a downtrend. You understand?
yes,
Yes, sir.
It means that that point is a downtrend. But meanwhile, I want to look for a place in the market where the market actually trend upward, then created a market structure shift that will be proper so that you guys can see it properly. Mhm. Let me look for it. Let me use the daily time frame. Let me see if I can see. I don't even like this pair for this kind of class. Let me look for another currency pair. GBP, Euro, GBP, Euro, GBP, Euro, GBP. Alright, alright. So let's see. Let's see. Okay. I think we can make do of this one. Now, see this pair. What do you see here? You have the
I can
market
see.
from here. The market, which trend is this? This particular place where you see now, which trend is this?
See, smooth delay.
Yeah?
I can't see the line.
No, I'm not drawing the line.
Okay,
Just look at it and tell me.
uptrend,
Oh,
Uptrend.
uptrend.
correct. Uptrend. Thank you, guys. Because from here, this particular low here to this point, it head up. But you already know that the market will not just go up straight. It want to create higher highs and higher lows. Abi? So that's
Yes,
why we have the market from here to this point. From here, it came down, came here, created this break of structure. You understand? Then
yes,
it
Sir.
retraced again, created this break of structure. Then it retraced again to this point, created another break of structure. Then what happened? Created a change of character here. So let me just patiently mark this one out because this one is more clearer. This one neat. So Let me map it out. So this is the second one. This is the third one.
Like this one, this thing here, come on. If you break, let me see, break with market. Break.
All right.
Breaking something.
Okay. I'm coming, guys. Let me mute this mic so that there will be noise in the background. All right. So now, can you guys see my screen? Okay. Whatever you want to say, you just type it. I mute you guys so that it will be clear. Whatever you want to say, just type it on the group. You understand? Just type it on the group. So now this is it. After this series of break of structure, you already know what break of structure is. After this series of break of structure, right here, we now have what we call change of character. This one is not break of structure. You can either call it change of character or market structure shift. This abbreviation means change of character. Then if you see MSS, it means market structure shift. They are the same thing, no difference. So now, why do I call this a change of character? Because this particular low, this higher low here, created this move, broke this guy. Then from here, it came down here. From here, it broke this market structure to the up. But it's supposed to come inside here, maybe to this point. Let me draw it. It's supposed to come from this point, maybe come somewhere like this, and go back to the up. Then you have your break of structure again, like that. Just be going like that. But market decided to do what? Break below this particular point. So it's now called a change of character. What we want to see is for the market to create to retrace up, then start coming down, like this retracement we have here. Then we have another break of structure here. Abi? Then it retraced to this point, and so on and so forth. Created another break of structure here. Now, it came down to this point. That's just the idea behind market structure when it comes to uptrend. Now, this is not everything about uptrend and downtrend, but I think we should end it here. So after this live, everybody, let's go and discuss inside the group. So if you have questions, let's answer those questions inside the group. Do you understand? So this is where we cut it for today. This is where we end it for today. But I believe you guys understand the basic things I just explained. I believe you guys understand it. Let me unmute you guys so that you guys can say something. I believe you guys understand what we just did.
Yes, sir.
So if you have any question, just ask the question. If you have any question, ask your question. No question. Guys, no question.
So I have a question.
Okay, ask your question.
So I not understand about the downtrend, like
You don't understand downtrend, Abi?
yes.
Okay, fine. Okay. Is he the only one here who doesn't understand downtrend? The rest of us we understand.
Yes, sir.
I understand.
I understand downtrend. The only thing I've not understood well is that change of character and key level.
Okay, change of character and key level. But you understand the concept of uptrend and downtrend, Abi? So
Yes, sir.
simply put, what I've been saying since is that if you have uptrend, you want to see the market creating what? Impulsive move and retracement, Abi? Guys, please, I need your response now. Impulsive move and
Sir.
retracement, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And you guys understand that concept of impulsive and retracement moves. You understand it, Abi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you understand impulsive and retracement, you see, let me go to the chart and show you this thing one more time. So what we have here is actually the same as what I've been explaining. Let me show you. From here, we have the market coming to this point. Abi?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, I know what I'll do. Let me design this my arrow so that it go big, so that when I feel they see am. I don't want to tick. Okay. Yeah. You guys can see the arrow now, Abi. Let me do it again.
Yeah.
Let me do it again. So I said from this particular point, the market came up to this point, right? Then what did the market do? It came down here. It came down to this region again. Now, this particular movement, the first one is the impulsive move. Then this other one is retracement to complete market structure. A market is a place where you buy and sell. So if this selling is not inside, it is not complete at all. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So from there, it came up to this point. So now, this point where it came now, if you notice there's something in here, let me just draw it. Let me draw this so that this arrow will not just spoil it. Okay, let me leave it there first. So now, notice something here. This point where you see the market creating a retracement from is a key level. Do you understand?
Okay, like that point where the wick is touching the middle of that triangle stuff.
Yes, this particular point. Okay, now this arrow where I draw now, you see these regions where they put these round circles.
Yes.
They are the key levels. That's why this line even have the circle to help you just indicate that this is a key level. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, what are key levels used for? Now, key levels are places in the market where price it tends to react from, where price it tends to do something from. You understand? So, like from this bottom now, from this down here to this point, it came straight, but when it gets there, it returned to the downside, creating a retracement to complete market structure. Then, before it head to the upside again. So now that point, this highest point now, this 1, 2, 3. Now the middle circle here now, which is the key level, this other movement broke above it. You understand?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This other movement here broke above it with the body of a candle. That's this particular candle here. This particular candle. With the body of this candle, it broke above this previous key level. So it means that we now have a break of structure, because I told you guys, I say these key levels, they are the market structure. You understand? Guys, please respond. Do you understand?
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir.
Now, these key levels, they are
Yes.
the market structure. These key levels, they are called market structure. So you see price breaking above this recent high. So it's called a break of structure, because that place is a market structure. Price broke it. You understand now?
Yes, boss.
Okay. So that's just it. Then what happened? As price broke
He changed
that market structure to this point, it retraced again. It retraced down to this point. Shebi?
Yes.
yes,
Then before it went up to break this new market structure region, right?
yes was.
So after breaking it went up to this particular high, then retraced again, then broke this one again. But after breaking this one, it came down to what? To break below this key level. This particular key level here, where we have this change of character now. The market came down to
Okay.
break below it again. Do you understand?
Okay, so basically once
So
market breaks below the previous key level, it's a change of character.
it's either a change of character or a break of structure. But the way you know a break of structure is, first of all, that price must break in accordance with the direction of the trend. Like this place now, we have uptrend here. That's why you see this particular breakout was to the upside, signifying that the trend is still going on. You understand? The uptrend is still continue. It still continue. So, but for here, what we get here? We get price breaking below this point. Now, this is what is supposed to happen for that uptrend to continue. As price came here, it will come to this point. It will retrace to this point. Then it will come back to this point. After this break of structure, it will retrace to maybe somewhere here like this. Then it will go back to, you see this thing, you see it. Do you see this?
Yes, yes.
So this will just be the continuous
Yes, sir.
trend. But what happened? The market failed to do that. And what happened? It broke below this previous, this retracement zone here. This down key level here. You understand?
Okay.
So because it broke below it, it's not a change of character. It's telling us that the downtrend is about to start. So let me just put it like this. Let me say it like this. If you have an uptrend like this, you don't want to see the retracement breaking below your other higher low. I'm coming. Let me do something.
Okay.
Maybe this one will help us. This, where is the change of character? Okay. Maybe this example will help us. You see this point?
Yeah.
I'm coming. Let me do something. Okay. That's not what I want. That's not what I want to do. Lower low. Should I write HL? This HL actually stands for higher low. You understand?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now you see this particular point is called an higher low, right? Because we have higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. I explained it now. We are supposed to
Yes, sir.
understand it now. So now, why is it called higher low? Because it failed to break below this region, this previous higher low, Abi.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So for you to have uptrend, that's what you want to see. You don't want to see this breakout. You don't want to see price breaking below higher lows. You understand? That's what.
Yes,
So
boss.
what you want to see is price breaking above the higher highs. Majors they break, they go. I told you the reason why you have the retracement is to complete market structure. It's just to complete market structure. The reason why you have this is the retrend. But this one is just to make it complete because there must be buying and selling. You guys are supposed to know by now that when the market is going up, it is buyers. When it's coming down, it is sellers, right?
Yes, sir.
So now, what you see now is sellers completing market structure. A market is a place where you buy, right, and sell. You understand?
Yes.
A market is a place where you buy and sell. So right now, what do we have here? We have this break of structure. They will now have something like this. What this thing is telling us now is that these higher lows we have here. Let me move this one down here so that we can use it. These higher lows, all of them. Let me just put it everywhere, but I will not take your time. Don't worry. These higher lows, these particular higher lows. You see how all these points when we have these arrows now, they are called higher lows. And the ones where we have this arrow, they are called higher high. No worry, one day I will take time to teach you guys how to set your trading view so that you will have all these tools. So all these are the higher highs, right? Now, why are they called higher highs? Because they are the key levels, they are the highest point before price took retracement. And this particular one is higher than this, than each other. So we now have break of structure here, because I told you, I said a break of structure is when the price, in this case, we have a bullish market here. Break of structure will be when the next impulsive move breaks above the previous key level, higher high, right?
Yes, sir.
So now, this particular region here, where we now have this candle, this movement coming below this higher high, is now telling us that the direction of the market has changed. It is now a what? Change of character or market structure shift. I even prefer you call it market structure shift, because that one resemble what they talk about past change of character. You understand?
Yes, boss.
So do you understand now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
boss.
I understand. Thank you.
If you still don't understand, I can still explain better. But if you understand, we can go on. So that's the concept. But now let me do something for you so that you will just, I think it will still add to you understanding. Now that you have this change of character, you want to see that it now retrace like this, and create another break of structure to the down now. That same movement, but this time you want to see it to the downside. You understand? Are you guys understanding?
Yes, boss.
Yes, boss.
Yes, sir. But now, if you now see something like this again, this one is now another change of character to the upside. So you are now expecting price to deliver like this for you, like this, then go back up. You understand? Just going like that. This is just the concept. Let me drag this down. This is just the concept. It's not hard at all. It's not hard. It's not hard at all. Okay. Let's just leave it there. So guys, do you understand now?
Yes, boss, yes.
Idiome, you understand? Israel, you understand? Abi?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So any other question?
No, sir.
Okay, you don't have. So in absence of any other question, I think that will be all for tonight. So